It's sold off quite a bit, but you can see realistically, here's back to 2020. All right, we haven't really made a ton of headway here. We've gone up to almost the same level and sold off. Same level, sold off, and we're about halfway there. It hasn't seen these levels since 2018. So, could it make it there? Sure. But I wouldn't bet the farm on it for a while. I would expect it to come back. And it realistically, it may come back here. You can see how liquid this area is. There's no pullbacks. It didn't stair step up.